Hey folks, MACT in the garage again, and I have a box. It came in the mail, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up, lay everything out, then we'll review everything it came in. But I'll show you the box. I don't want to do the video of unboxing everything. But that being said, like, subscribe, join MACT Garage. Make sure you hit the like button on those videos, folks, and support me in the channel. That's all I ask. Let's go ahead and open the box, get everything laid out, and see what's inside. Let's check the box out real quick. There you are, folks. That's it. It's from Detroit Axle. Came in 2 boxes, and it's a kit. So let's go ahead and get the box open, lay everything out, and see what's in that kit. And we'll go ahead and lay it out right here on the table. Right here. That's right. We'll get everything we need to know about this kit and check it out. Well, folks, it looks like this is the rundown. We're going to start here and go work our way left. These rotors are an R54154. This is for a 2011 through 14 Ford Edge. And it came in a little box, and it gave you an itty-bitty bottle of brake fluid. I'm going to say that it seriously lacks in volume compared to what I usually get. Might be enough to refill, but you're not going to bleed your brakes out with that bottle for sure. So plan on buying more brake fluid, because they gave you the smallest bottle they had, and then I don't know who makes it for them, but they went ahead and put their own Detroit Axle label on it. Same with the brake parts cleaner. They got their own label on it. Who makes it, I don't know. It is a 50-state formula, so that tells me no CFCs in it or whatever they put in there. Methyl ethyl ketone peroxide, who knows what they put in that. But anyway, you get 1 can of that. Probably might be enough, but that's part of the kit. And it comes in a small separate box. But this is what you get. By no means is it of the volume here. You probably need 2 of these if you're going to do a full brake bleed that really cleans out the system. So yeah, plan on buying some more. Not going to get you far. And then, of course, the part number. One thing I did find really interesting about the front rotors is they come pre-rusted. Check that out. Yes, they have the rust already there, folks. That way you don't have to wait for them to rust. Same way for this one. Yeah, so pre-rusted, ready to go. I'm sure the brakes I'll clean it with this, and we'll just wear it off with the brake pads. What do you think? But anyway, you're getting pre-rusted rotors when you buy this kit, apparently. So that's a bonus I wasn't expecting, but hey, we can work with it, right? So much for quality control. Let's move on over to the next one. Now we have part number R54125. These are the rear rotors for 2011 through 2014 Ford Edge, and they do not come pre-rusted. Don't know, maybe it was a storage situation, but these are not pre-rusted. So there's a bonus. We're running 50-50 as far as the quality. Maybe these are just newer. I don't know. But yeah, sadly to say, that didn't work out well. As far as measurements, notations on size, there are no markings on this to tell you what the size are, like a lot of other manufacturers put on there. So even the front rotors do not have markings on them as far as the thicknesses. So these are essentially use and throw away. That's all these are. Give you some brakes, help you stop, and motor on. I will put them on my Ford Edge, and we'll give it a long-term test run, because right now my Ford Edge has problems with the brakes. So anyway, this is what you're going to get on this. Now let's check out the brake pads, because they say they're ceramic. Now most brake pad places will give you a little bit of grease. This packet here is a synthetic moly grease, so we might assume that's what this is. Can't really read the writing, but folks, if you think that is enough grease for your brakes, that little pocket, then you're doing better than me. I always have my own grease and have that ready to go. But these are the brake pads. They have part numbers on them, and the part number is P1258 for the front brakes. And there's some metallic-y looking stuff in it. They said they're ceramic, so we'll have to believe them on that. It does come with all the new hardware clips that you'd want to ever have, so you're all set there. And these are the fronts. That being said, we have the other ones here. These are the rears, and the rears, of course, have the little notches in them that we're looking for with the grease, and the part number is P1377, and these are the brake parts that they actually come with. Basically, they say improved stopping power, smoother, quiet performance, extended braking life, and they're premium ceramic disc brake pads. Same thing for these premium ceramic disc brake pads. So where are they made is another question, and I'm not seeing anything to state. There we go, made in China, buddy. And we're going to assume they're all made in China. Oh yeah, made in China. And where are the rotors made? That's another question. I didn't bother to check, but we can assume they're made in China. No, not seeing anything about where they're made. Guess they're not that proud of it. But nothing on the box saying where they're made. We're going to assume, since everything else is pretty much China, that these are China. And these apparently took the slower boat. And these apparently took the slower boat because they're rusted already. So, yeah, that's, you know, they could at least make sure that the parts aren't rusty. But not that it really matters a ton, but holy cow. You like to see them this way when you get them, not this way. So that tells me they did not package these well with enough protective lubricant to keep them from rusting. So got a little bit of an advance on that. But again, let's top this off. Well, folks, this is predominantly it. This is what you get in the Detroit axle kit. Did I pay a lot of money for it? About 170 bucks. Then, of course, you had to wait for the shipping, which it came from Texas, of all places, and it took a long time to get here. It took ups, I think, about 5 days at least to get here, and it had a roundabout tracking. But anyway, this is what you get. Maybe you'll have better luck. Maybe your rotors won't be rusted, but for 170 bucks, we're going to test out, see if they stop the car. That's really what the goal is. And you know, based on performance there, I can tell you whether or not it's any good. But yeah, not impressed with that part of it. Price is low, so what can you expect? You're going to pay more for a lot better rotors and pads and everything else, and this came as a kit. So you get what you pay for is basically what I'm telling you. So yeah, this is what it is. That's the brake review for the Detroit axle kit for the Ford Edge 2011 through 2014. If you choose to use these, just be aware this is what you could potentially receive and the condition that it'll be in. This is MACT Garage. Make sure you like, subscribe, join, all that good stuff. Got Mercy Grill, always does a couple one-liners. Got the Band of One with some great music, and my feet hit the floor today, and I'm having a great day. I want you to have a great day.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.